Before Priyanka Chopra flew off to the States for a 3-month-long haul to shoot for the second season of her TV show Quantico, she gave an all-holds-barred interview to Spotboy's Vicky Lalwani. Speaking about the killer instinct that sets her apart from most people of her ilk, she says, "Yeah, I strive for excellence even while I'm just cleaning my room and putting things at the right places." When asked if one day she could wake up to find that she's lost all her stardom, how would she feel? This is her reply. "Nobody is indispensable. Everybody has a phase in her career when he shines. You need to know how to evolve yourself at regular intervals if you want to keep winning." You and I did an interview a few years ago when my films weren't doing well and you asked me, "Do you think it's over?" I remember telling you that it's never over as long as you're talented and your creativity doesn't die. Like yesterday I was an artist in India, today I'm an artist in India and the US. Tomorrow I might do something in another country. Priyanka's birthday is almost around the corner. She shares her plans with us. "Nothing much. Mom will join me for a few days in the US where I start shooting for Quantico Season 2 from July 11. A few friends are also expected. PC and her mom are pretty thick. They take holidays together and never miss celebrating festivals and occasions together. We can't help but wonder if her mom was happy with her moving out of the family house and making a home of her own. Interestingly, it was her idea that I should have my own space, but now that I have, she's feeling the pangs." She was recently in the news for being the highest paid celebrity at the IFA Awards in Madrid. This is what she has to say about it. "People can say anything, but I don't discuss my remuneration. Yeah, people discuss the money I get. But I'm not someone who wanted to be known as the highest paid actress. People confuse that and label it as an achievement, but I don't see it likewise. My achievement is to be conferred with all my honors that I have been conferred with over the years for my work. एक दिन कोई highest paid होता है, दूसरे दिन नहीं होता है. It doesn't matter. Money is very transient in show business, but recognition stays with you till the end of time, and that I have." Are filmmakers coming up with meteor scripts because they feel that Priyanka is a huge star now? I don't entertain every offer. I work very differently. I entertain only those offers which have an amazing part for the female, which is me. And it has always been the same. People know I won't do roles which are fluffy. I have always been treated with a lot of respect when it comes to work in the film industry, and it continues to be the same. At our girl, you go conquer the world.